Hi my glorious chefs! Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video I'm going to put my own spin on Mediterranean chicken with artichokes and olives. What I used to prepare this dish was some skinless, boneless chicken thighs, Kalamata olives, marinated artichokes, tarragon, minced garlic, olive oil, plus good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's get cooking. Begin by seasoning the chicken with salt and pepper. Make sure it's thoroughly coated and applied generously throughout on both sides. I don't actually videotape that, but picture it in your mind's eye that I'm doing this just on the reverse. Next, heat a frying pan and pour in the oil and juices from the jarred artichokes. This is more than sufficient to use rather than a knob of butter or olive oil. It's a perfect cooking liquid. Stir that around to coat the pan before we begin adding the next steps. Scoop in the minced garlic and give that a good stir. We're going to let that heat up just slightly before we add the chicken. Once it's been heated and mixed around, add in the chicken. We're going to let the chicken cook for about 6 minutes, and then we're going to flip it and cook for another 6 minutes. That should be more than sufficient to give both sides sufficient time to brown and caramelize a little bit. While the chicken finishes cooking, add the tarragon, and then add the artichokes, and finally the olives. Be sure to spread all this evenly throughout. Give it a good mix, give it a good stir, and then finally we're going to cover the frying pan with a lid and let this all simmer for about 20 minutes. Let all the flavors marry together until the chicken finishes cooking through. Enjoy!
If you all like this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!